पोर्तुगीज पासपोर्टाचो प्रश्न गोंयांत नवो न्हय. संद नाशिल्ल्यान हाचो फायदो जायत्या जाणांनी घेतला आनी जायत्या जाणांनी पोर्तुगालांत नोंदणी केल्या. पूण भुरग्यांक लागून नागरिकत्वाचो फायदो जावंक ना. पोर्तुगीज पासपोर्टाचो प्रश्न गोंयांत चालू आसा. हाचो लाव घेवपी आनी ताचो परिणाम जावपी चडशे लोक अल्पसंख्यांक समाजांतले आसा. आता भारतीय पासपोर्टाचे नूतनीकरण करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान तांचेर टिका जाल्या. सरकाराची ही कृती जायते जाण दुबावान पळयतात पूण आवाज काडिनात. आदले मंत्री मिकी पाचेकोन सांगले, गोंयांक त्या विशिष्ट समाजाचो धपको बसतलो आनी जायत्या जाणांच्या लोकसंख्येचेर परिणाम जातलो. मतदारसंघ बदलल्यात आनी बदलत आसात.
Passport is the only traveling document. If you see now recent, I'm talking about a month back, who had gone through this process. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, so my point, when a person who is holding a high profile position in the Goa government, people of Goa want to know. We have a document which is registered in Portugal. Along with the document shows it is ascent number here. That means he is a citizen of this country. If he cancels and got his back his resident. That is only my point. And government have to clear that. If person who's having a registration in Portugal can contest election here, so that means government should give him the dual citizenship, Portuguese as well as the Indian citizenship. It is as good as this. It is interpreted that way. You cannot have a two registration. One is in India and one is in Portugal. You have only one. You can have either India, Portugal. See, I can understand a minor boy who making a mistake without knowing doing. But here is your intention what? You are registering your birth certificate there to see that your children also get same right. And that's what it is. So my request, हांव तर आमच्या पत्रकार भावांतल्यान हे सरकाराक पळयता बाबा, we want to know, गोंयकार want to know this certificate which I am having here, okay, with accent number is registered in Portugal in 2021. If he cancel and got his back his residency, that's all I'm asking. So गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाक म्हाका दिसता भाशेन गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाक खबर आहा कॅन्सल केलें म्हणून तेणें त्या पासून ताका मंत्री करून दिला, मंत्रीपद दिलें ताका. सो अदरवायज हाल्या कोणा खबर आसपना जो मनीस रजिस्टर्ड करता हिंगसो पुर्तुगाला वयता इंडियन पासपोर्ट घेवन पुर्तुगाला वयता आनी पुर्तुगाला काले करता पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट आनी परतो ताका ऑलरेडी विजा आहा. ताका ऑलरेडी हांव एक एग्जाम्पल दिता, ज्या मनशा कडेन ऑलरेडी तेगे एसेंट येयले तो पासपोर्ट काले करपाक पुर्तुगाला वयता, इंडियन पासपोर्टीचे विजा मान शेंगेन विजा मारता आनी वयता पासपोर्ट काले करता, थिंगसान परतो इंडियन पासपोर्टीचे गोंय येता आनी हिंग सगळे हे आहा त्यो कितें स्किमी आहा कितें आहा तितल्योच घेता, वोटींग रायट आहा सगळे आहा, हाल्या कॉन्टेस्ट करता. सो गव्हर्नमेंट हॅव टू कीप आय ऑन दीस.
But there is option also, no? You can cancel your Portuguese passport, no? पते पाहता ना गोंयकारांनी.
बाबा गोंयकारांक पोट घेवपाक कोणाक येना, but there is time bound. There is, you have to come back to India and stay without moving out from this country. You have to stay 10 years. Please do understand that. That is the law. So this is what I am trying to tell you. So, how the law interpret, I don't know. This is the law. I'm तुमचा आता क्रिसमस टाइम, न्यू इयर टाइम, हांव सरकाराक 1 महिना टाइम दिता. ओके, 1 महिना टाइम दिता. सरकाराक आयज ही बातमी म्हाका मेळ्ळ्या ते भाशेन ही बातमी आयज सगळ्यांनी गोंयकारांनी पळयल्या. ओके, पत्रां कडच्यान जावं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया कडच्यान ते भाशेनूच आयज तुमचे फुडल्या येयला हो विशय तुमी फुडल्या मांडटा. हो विशय पत्रकारांनी गोंयकारांक पावपा जाय बाबा, हिंगा सारकें कितें आहा तें. गोंयकार वॉन्ट टू नो वॉट इज रायट एंड वॉट इज रॉंग एंड हू इज रॉंग. इफ someone is not wrong, he should produce the document that I'm not wrong, and not to say you go and find out. I found out I've got a document that you are registered in Portugal and this is your asset number. This is what I got. Let him prove that I cancel and I got cancel and here I am. That's all I'm asking.
So 1 महिना तो मागीर कितें कोर्टां वयता तूं?
I will go appropriate where I have to take for a conclusion.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुवेकार आनी निखिल जल्मी.